I just can't let him keep walking all over me. I have to do something. I'm gonna make him regret it. I don't know how else to make him stop.
What are you gonna do?
He'll see. And he'll be sorry.
What does that mean? Wyatt pushing you around sucks. I totally get that you're upset about that.
Right? I feel like I don't have any choice but to fight back. Nothing else works.
It might help to talk to someone. I remember when Emily was going through her breakup with Sean, she said talking to someone about it really helped.
Someone like who?
Like the counselor, a teacher, any adult at school you trust. I could even go with you if you want me to.